Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. In this video, I have a little hand cam, or finger cam more like, in the top right corner. Tell me if you like it. If you don't, I'll remove it. Just want to test it out. Sorry for the background noise. My brother came into my room and started saying he was better than me. So, that was funny. And I yelled at him. So, yeah, sorry for the interference in the video, but couldn't really help it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. So I was on this phone. I said that I shouldn't have taken a break because taking a break in jump chest doesn't work because it makes you worse at the game. Doesn't make you better. I ate. Like, you could do better. You're better than me. Come here and beat this then for me then. If you're so good. Freaking go! Let's go!